my first daughter in 2016, and we really were not hearing much about the maternal health. And this is the resource that truly we wish that we'd had when we were having our first or even second babies. So it is covering our mental health from pregnancy through postpartum. As moms, we go through all of these different seasons. Pregnancy, birth, and postpartum are really just the first of those seasons, but we want to make sure that you have a really good foundation as you're going into them. We want to empower you to walk into a pregnancy and a postpartum period understanding what can be happening not only in your body but in your mind, and to be prepared for the different challenges that can present so that you do not feel helpless and you do not feel alone. It is covering our mental health from pregnancy through postpartum. So you can learn all the information about the Seasonal Motherhood group by visiting our website, lyndhurstcounselingcenter.com, and clicking on the groups tab. You can find all of the information that you need there. All you need to do to sign up is to call our front desk, and they will happily get you connected with the next available session.